Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Nissan Terra, the latest evolution of Nissan's rugged midsize SUV that blends toughness, comfort, and modern technology. The Terra has always appealed to drivers who want genuine off-road capability without sacrificing daily usability, and this newest model continues that tradition while pushing the nameplate into a more premium and refined space. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Terra carries a bolder and more muscular design language compared to previous years. The refreshed front fascia features a redesigned grille and slimmer LED headlamps that give the SUV a sharper and more assertive presence on the road. The body lines are cleaner and more aerodynamic, while the widened stance delivers both visual strength and enhanced stability. Around back, updated LED tail lamps and a restyled tailgate give the Terra a more modern, cohesive appearance. Optional two-tone paint schemes and new wheel designs allow buyers to personalize the SUV's character, whether they want something elegant or something more adventurous. Performance has also seen improvements. Depending on the market, the 2026 Terra offers a refined diesel option and a gasoline alternative, both tuned for better torque delivery and fuel efficiency. A revised suspension setup helps the Terra handle rough terrain with greater confidence while still maintaining a composed ride on pavement. Four-wheel drive models benefit from selectable drive modes, a low-range transfer case, and hill descent control, making the Terra well-suited for trails, steep climbs, and unpredictable conditions. Despite its rugged DNA, the Terra avoids feeling sluggish or heavy, and the improved powertrain responses help make highway merging, towing, and daily commuting feel easier and smoother. Moving inside, the cabin continues Nissan's push toward higher comfort and better ergonomics. Materials are more upscale, noise insulation has been enhanced, and the dashboard incorporates a cleaner and more modern layout. A larger central touchscreen runs Nissan's latest infotainment software, supporting wireless smartphone connectivity, navigation, and driver profiles. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, offering customizable layouts, trip information, and off-road data. Seating is supportive in all three rows, with better legroom and improved climate control airflow, helping passengers stay comfortable on long journeys. Folding configurations make loading cargo straightforward, and smart storage compartments maximize practicality for everyday use. Another key highlight of the 2026 Terra is its growing suite of unique features and safety advancements. Nissan's latest driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping support, blind spot monitoring, and a multi-view camera system that proves especially useful when navigating tight off-road paths or crowded parking areas. Available wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and upgraded audio options make the Terra feel more premium and connected than ever before. With its combination of real utility and modern convenience, the Terra aims to deliver a balanced experience for families, adventurers, and anyone who needs a capable yet comfortable SUV. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.